Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over a very quick side note about the copy that's in your bio. You want to set up your bio on each platform, but we're going to use TikTok as an example. But if you're doing, not if you're doing, but if you're reposting on Pinterest, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube Shorts, etc., etc., even freaking Twitter has one now. Doesn't matter where you ultimately direct people, and sometimes in your videos and your comments, etc., where you're going to direct people in your call to actions is like check out my bio, link in the bio, learn more in the bio, things like that. Getting used to saying that, not in all of your videos because it gets redundant and people start going blind to it and they hate it and they feel like you're constantly promoting and pitching and selling. You don't want to do that. You want to build a relationship, give value, give content, give. But occasionally you might throw in there link in the bio or whatever. Now,